Good morning, dear children. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Today, we are going to do the poem from Unit 6. The name of the poem is Trains, written by James S. Tippett. Here, you can see the picture of moving train. The Trains is a beautiful piece in which the poet expresses the usefulness of trains in our lives. A train is a railway wagon with multiple bogies which is moved by a locomotive engine. So children, before starting the poem, I just want to ask you a very simple question. Have you ever traveled on a train? Yes, I think many of you have already traveled on a train. We know that we really enjoy traveling on a train. So children, you all know trains are a means of land transport. So let's read and understand the poem. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Over the mountains. Over means it's a preposition which is used when we cross one side to another. It tells us a position, usually when one thing at a higher position than another. So the train is moving over the mountains means steep hillside. Hope you all have seen the mountains. If you have been to any hilly area, you must have seen the train crossing over the mountains. Really? Okay. It also crosses over the plains. Plain means a flat land, जहाँ पर कोई hills नहीं होती हैं, no mountains, mountains नहीं होते हैं, hills नहीं होती हैं, है ना? तो उनको बोलते हैं plains. It's a flat land. So train also crosses the plains. It also crosses the rivers. Here come the trains. Here come means to come, to arrive. So train is coming after crossing the mountains, the plains, the rivers. Okay. Now moving on to next stanza. Carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. So carrying means to carry. Whenever we travel by train, doesn't the train carry us? ट्रेन हमें कैरी करती है ना, जब हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर ट्रेवल करते हैं फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. सो द ट्रेन कैरीज द पैसेंजर्स. Passengers are people who travelers, people who go from one place to another. उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Passengers. Carrying mails. What is mail? Mails are important letters, important parcels. Parcels, things that sent by post from one place to another. Okay? So trains also carries important papers, parcels. It do not only carry people but also important papers from one place to another. ठीक है, तो ट्रेन्स केवल पीपल को ही कैरी नहीं करती हैं, पैसेंजर्स को ही कैरी नहीं करती हैं, है ना, बल्कि और क्या कैरी करती हैं? इम्पॉर्टेंट पेपर्स, पार्सल्स, लेटर्स. सो ट्रेन डज अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट जॉब of helping people travel from one place to another. It also helps transport letters, important mails. Okay? Bringing means to bring. Okay? To bring precious means things of great value, very important things. जो बहुत कीमती सामान होता है, जो थिंग्स ऑफ ग्रेट वैल्यू है ना, वो भी ट्रेन कैरी करती है विथ कंप्लीट सेफ्टी, उन्हें पूरी सुरक्षा के साथ, ठीक है, वो एक स्थान से, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर पहुंचाती है. सो यू कैन सी ट्रेन डज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब. So now third stanza. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Thousands of freight cars. Freight cars means those trains which carry goods in a large quantity. जो बल्क में गुड्स कैरी करती हैं, सामान कैरी करती हैं, उन ट्रेन्स को क्या बोलते हैं? हिंदी में जैसे मालगाड़ी भी बोलते हैं, उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रेट कार्स. Okay, so they are rushing on means they are moving on a fast pace. They are in a hurry through day and darkness. Means these trains are moving day and night. तो trains कैसे move करती हैं? Non-stop, है ना? Through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Okay, don't get confused in these two words, dusk and dawn. Dusk is in the evening. When sun is about to set, जब सूरज डूबता है तो उस टाइम को क्या बोलते हैं? That is evening, है ना? In the evening, that is known as dusk. And dawn is in the morning. First light in the morning, early morning, when the sun is just about to rise. First light of the day. So the train is moving, trains are moving non-stop through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Now moving on to fourth stanza, last stanza of the poem. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. So trains are moving all over the mountains, okay, or over the rivers, over the plains, है ना, and taking their passengers from one point to their destination. Okay, so it was a beautiful poem written by James S. Tippett. Now let's look at some difficult words we came across. Now difficult words: mountains, very high hills; rivers, natural stream of water; passengers, people traveling in a bus, car, train, ship or aeroplane; precious, of great value; mail, letters and parcels; plains, flat lands; dusk, early evening; dawn, early morning. So children, hope you enjoyed the poem and understood the difficult words. So for your better understanding, please recite the poem again and again. Okay? Okay. Thank you very much, children. Have a nice day.